Have you ever wondered if Tangerine Bank can handle your international wire transfers? It's a common question, especially for those looking to send or receive money across borders. In this video, we'll dive deep into Tangerine's wire transfer capabilities, exploring the pros, cons, and everything you need to know. Imagine you're planning a dream vacation to Bali, and you need to send a significant amount of money to secure your accommodations. Can Tangerine Bank be your trusted financial partner in this endeavor? Let's find out. Before we delve into the specifics of wire transfers, let's briefly understand what Tangerine Bank is all about. Tangerine is a popular Canadian online bank known for its low fees, convenient online and mobile banking, and excellent customer service. It's a great choice for those looking for a hassle-free banking experience. Wire transfers, the basics. A wire transfer is a quick and secure way to send money electronically from one bank account to another, often across international borders. It's a popular choice for large transactions or when you need the funds to arrive quickly. Can Tangerine Bank handle wire transfers? Yes, Tangerine Bank does offer wire transfer services. You can send and receive wire transfers both domestically and internationally. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Fees. Tangerine does charge fees for wire transfers. The exact fees may vary depending on the amount you're sending and the destination country. It's always a good idea to check Tangerine's website or contact their customer service for the most up-to-date information. Processing time. Wire transfers typically take a few business days to complete. However, the exact processing time can vary depending on factors such as the destination country, the banks involved, and any holidays or weekends. Currency conversion. If you're sending money to a country with a different currency, Tangerine will convert the funds for you. However, there may be a currency conversion fee associated with this service. Pros of using Tangerine for wire transfers. Convenience. Tangerine's online and mobile banking platforms make it easy to initiate and track wire transfers from the comfort of your home. Security. Tangerine is a reputable Canadian bank with strong security measures in place to protect your financial information. Customer service. Tangerine is known for its excellent customer service. If you have any questions or encounter any issues with your wire transfer, you can easily reach out to their support team. Cons of using Tangerine for wire transfers. Fees. As mentioned earlier, Tangerine does charge fees for wire transfers. These fees can add up, especially for frequent or large transactions. Limited branch network. Unlike traditional banks, Tangerine doesn't have a physical branch network. This can be a disadvantage for those who prefer in-person banking. Alternatives to Tangerine for wire transfers. While Tangerine is a viable option for wire transfers, it's worth exploring other alternatives. Some popular choices include traditional banks. Your local bank may offer wire transfer services. However, the fees and processing times may vary. Money transfer services. Companies like Western Union and MoneyGram specialize in international money transfers. They often offer convenient options for sending and receiving money, but they may charge higher fees. Online payment platforms. Platforms like PayPal and TransferWise, now Wise, can also be used for international money transfers. They often offer competitive rates and faster processing times. Tips for making wire transfers. Here are some tips to keep in mind when making wire transfers through Tangerine or any other financial institution. Double-check details. Ensure that the recipient's bank account information is correct to avoid delays or errors. Understand fees. Be aware of the fees associated with wire transfers and factor them into your budget. Choose the right currency. If you're sending money to a different country, consider converting the funds to the local currency before initiating the transfer to avoid currency conversion fees. Track your transfer. Use Tangerine's online or mobile banking platform to track the progress of your wire transfer. Tangerine Bank can be a convenient option for wire transfers, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons against other available alternatives. By understanding the fees, processing times, and security measures involved, you can make an informed decision about the best way to send or receive money internationally. Have you ever used Tangerine Bank for wire transfers? Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.